What's going on, everybody? This is Kryptonite with Jupiter Dogs Pack. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to install the Game Capture HD Elgato capture card on a external hard drive. So that way it frees up a little bit more space, because after all, it's 73 megabytes. Alright, so with that, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hook up your hardware, right? So we've got the hardware that came with the capture card, this black box here. Alright, you got your HDMI cord, which runs into the input. That's the cord that's connected to your Xbox 360. Alright, so that cord connects here on the input. And then your HDMI for output is the one that runs to your TV, projector, whatever it is that you want to see what you're playing on while you're playing it. And then that USB goes right into your laptop, which mine's right, or your computer, whatever you're running, and which is mine right there. Okay, so once we got that, we're going to pop in to the internet. Alright, I'm using Mozilla, and you're going to go to this website here. It's on the website is also on the little black card that came with the package. Alright, so this website here, if I get it to focus, apologize, I'm on a cell phone, and that's www.gamecapture.com. That's all you have to type in, www.gamecapture.com, and then that'll take you to this screen here. Okay, and then I'm running Windows 7, so I am going to select download for Windows 7. Alright, so I hit that, and we should get a box that pops up here. There we go. Alright, it takes us to another screen, and it's asking us if we want to save the file. And yes, you want to save this file, so you hit save file. Now you're going to get another little window down here. It's going to pop up, and this is going to be in your library. So you hit add files, have finished downloading. So another window pops up here, and this is it here. So you want to click on Game Capture, all that good jazz there, and it's 30.8 megabytes. So you double tap that, and you're going to hit next when this box comes up. So you hit next. And then that next box that pops up is the end user license agreement. So you got to hit I accept, like all software applications these days. And then now this is the part that's different here. Okay, so it wants right now to save these 73 megabytes on the C drive, okay, and that's the files that they're looking at doing it. So they got C drive, program files, Elgato, and then Game Capture. Okay, here's what we're going to do differently, and I'm going to walk you through how to do this step by step. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to go down to your Windows start point, and then from there you're going to go up to computer, and you're going to look at what your external hard drive is. That's mine right there, the F drive. Okay, so I'm going to double tap that. Now I'm going to go down to the file I want to put it in. Mine's going to be under Jupiter Dogs Pack, and then I'm going to create another file here. Alright, so to create a new folder in here, you want to click on your new folder tab right there. So you click on that. Alright, so then that pops up there, and then you can type in what you want to call it. And I'm going to pause this for 1 second. Alright, so I named it recording software. Alright, now I'm going to open that up. Okay, and then from here, I'm going to make one more. No, I'm going to leave this blank. Alright, so from right here, we're going to go back to this box here. Alright, and we're going to go where it says C, Program Files, Elgato Game Capture Card. Alright, and we're going to change that C to whatever drive your external hard drive is. Mine happens to be F, so I'm going to make that an F. Alright, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to put another backslash in, and it's going to, and I'm going to type in the name of that file that I want it under, which is Jupiter Dogs Pack. And then I'm going to put another slash in there, and then the next file that I created, or folder I created, was recording space, I forgot the name of the second part, software. So recording space software. And then I'm going to hit next. And then it says ready to install Elgato Game Capture Card. Click install to begin installation. Click back to review or change any of your installation settings. Click cancel to exit the wizard. Alright, so from here you hit install. Now it's going to take us through this part here. This is going to take a moment, so I'm going to pause it. Alright, it's just about finished, so I'm going to use this time for a little bit of publicity for our MLG JDP. Alright, so we're Jupiter Dogs Pack. You can find us on YouTube. That's YouTube/Jupiter Dogs Pack. Dogs is spelled D-A-W-G-S. And then we're also on Twitter and Facebook. And it's the same thing for everything, Jupiter Dogs Pack. Alright, so now here we're going to hit finish. And then everything should be good to go. So with that, we are going to close this. We're going to close this. And then we're also going to close this. Okay, now this is how you actually get to the file when you're ready to utilize it. Before, when you just put it right on your PC, you would have a shortcut tab, which is down here on the directory, or it'd be up here on your start menu. Alright, but since we didn't do that, and we wanted to save some space, and we put it on our external hard drive, in order to open it, you have to go to your external hard drive now. So I have a shortcut up here for mine. However, granted that you don't know how to make a shortcut, I'm going to show you how to get to the drive. So you go to your start file, go back into your computer, then from here you go into your external drive, and then into the file that you saved yours under. So again, mine was Jupiter Dogs Pack, and then again my next folder is recording software, and then you're going in the program files, and then Elgato Game Capture, and you're going to scroll down until you see this image right here, which is your game capture application. Alright, the rest of the stuff in here is scripts that tells, or coding that tells the computer and everything what to do and how to operate and such. So, alright, so we're going to go game capture. And we're going to click on that, and it's going to pop up. Any moment now. Here we go. Alright, now it says 1 moment please, and it's talking to the Xbox, and the Xbox is talking to it, and here we go. We got some action now. Alright. Now, while you're in here, if you want to record something, you scroll down here, see the scroll bar here, you use that scroll bar, you come all the way down, and then you click on this big red button here, and it says start recording. When you're done, you hit stop recording. And then if you want to edit it, you go up here to your edit, you hit edit, and then it'll have the last video that you just did right here. And then you can click on that, and then here's all the stuff down here that you can do. You can hold on, let me drop this taskbar down. Okay, and with that down here, you can select stuff, you can make cuts, you can delete, you can add photos or images, or input more stuff. And then when you're done with it, if you want to do even more things, you can either send it to Movie Maker, or you can just send it right to YouTube. Okay, but what I always do is I make an MP4 original, and then from there I go into Windows Movie Maker, and then I add the video, and then I'll make my recording by using the sound recording program and all that good jazz. And then when you're done, you can post the stuff to your YouTube page, Facebook page, or whatever you want to send it to. And one good thing about using the Windows Live Movie Maker is that you can also send all that stuff to your account pages right from that application when you're also done. Alright, so thank you for your time, and I hope this was helpful, and good gaming to everyone.